Am I awesome or what? Another successful morning of enforcing the rules and preventing fairy godkids all over the world from wishing up total chaos. Most fairies would crack under this kind of pressure, but not me. Then again, I am talking to a can of fizzy juice. Oh no! The fizzy juice has given me the hiccups, which are bouts of hiccups accompanied by bouts of cheesy parlor magic. Perhaps a glass of water will cure me. Not water! I cannot enforce the rules with the hiccups, and only another Von Strangle can replace me. The universe is in grave peril, unless... Conveniently placed family locating lever. Take me to the nearest Von Strangle.